Edmonton Transit covers basically all of the city of Edmonton within the city limits, and we service about 100,000 boardings roughly per day. From a security perspective, we currently have roughly about 1,100 cameras across the system with multiple generation of products, and all of those pieces are basically connected into one back-end system seamlessly with Genetec. Genetec was first put in Edmonton Transit in 2008. By going to a more centralized VMS solution from Genetec, we were able to now pull up any camera we want at any time and also record everything centrally.
The future potential with Edmonton Transit is that they're always looking towards leading edge technology to help improve their efficiencies.
The university is a fairly large station, and it was using some very dated analog technology. No remote capabilities to, say, change cameras if we needed to. We were looking at some of our stairwells where you potentially have people late at night, not sure if there's somebody in there waiting for them. By putting in the Eizo monitors, they have some more situational awareness of what's going on in those stairwells.
Eizo caught my eye because it addressed a very critical point that ETS has, and that is transitioning from analog to IP-based monitors.
The IP monitor is really a unique solution that allows our monitor to take streams straight from the network and display it in up to 16 streams at one time.
From a cybersecurity perspective, the monitors are actually very good as well, since they don't require another Windows box or another computer that we have to maintain and protect. So being able to do all of those things with it and have it all integrated by having a plugin in Genetec makes it a lot easier for us.
The Eizo plugin is very unique and something that the security industry has needed for a while. As we moved away from analog and into the IP space, there was a gap where we had to utilize some sort of device behind a monitor. And with the Eizo product, we're able to integrate that right into the Genetec platform to easily display the cameras.
Because the monitor itself has the power supply built right in, as well as the network connection, you didn't have to worry about running additional fiber lines because we plugged directly into the network. So all of these were advantages that ETS could take advantage of by not having to rip out already existing infrastructure and just adding the Eizo solution as just another part of their network.
The main benefits of the partnership that we have with Eizo and Genetec is for the security of our patrons and for ease of maintenance for our staff. Having the plug-in to be able to easily just drag and drop to make changes to it, and then also the ability to see the status of the monitor when you log into it through the web page. With a lot of our old legacy stuff, we don't know if it's working unless we actually go out there and see it. So the more that we can put onto the network and more information we get about the product, the better.
やはり我々の商品をより多くのお客さんに使ってもらう上で VMS との連携っていうのが非常に重要なファクターであると考えてまして、で今回はその世界で有名なジェネテック社と、コラボレーションを組めたってことは、映像としても大きな一歩だと考えてます。
This project involved tight work between the Japan R&D offices of Eizo and Montreal head office. The collaboration approach led to creative thinking, ultimately deeper functionality, and even API changes from Genetec and Eizo to make this integration work properly.
今回のジェネテック社とのプラグイン開発をきっかけにですね、今後よりまた新しいソリューションというものをジェネテック社と一緒に作っていきたいと考えています。アクセスコントロールシステムだったり、映像解析ソリューションといったものを利用した新しいソリューションを開発していきたいと思っています。我々エンジニアとしても非常に喜ばしいことだと。
By bringing the solutions together, it allows ETS the ability to grow beyond the current capabilities.
With Eizo and Genetec, the primary driver for us was really to be able to keep people safe and to keep the system running smoothly.